In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to download apps from Microsoft Store. You will see error code 0x87e10bc6. So friends, to fix this error, firstly, you need to click on Start and type ws reset, then press enter. Now wait for a while. You will see Microsoft Store will open automatically. And if this method is not work, so try another one. Click on Start, then type PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. If ask permission, so click on Yes. You need to type this code. First one, this one, step by step. So firstly, this code. Right click here and edit, paste, and enter. Now you need to type this second code. I will give this code in description and press enter. And restart your PC. After close it, hopefully this error will be work, and still you are facing error. So try another one. Right click here and type Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Click on this profile icon. Click on your profile icon and sign out. Again click here and sign in your account. So hopefully friends, using these three methods, Microsoft this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.